Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Saturday. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below where you can get one at a low cost. All you got to do is click on a link, add it to your cart, and check out. And they'll ship this fast to you. This is coming from RevitalAir. Man, my sinuses and allergies are acting up like crazy. Hopefully this will help. It has True HEPA 4-in-1 air purifier white, and we're gonna see what this thing looks like and how it operates and all that good stuff. See what's included inside. So definitely check them out. This will be a nice housewarming gift type deal. Hold on one sec. Oh, I got Sharpie. Dang. Dang Sharpies. Sharpie attack. Oh boy, here we go. Let's see what this thing's all about. I gotta wash my hands. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Let's go take a look now. We got another box inside of a box. Alrighty. Take it out nice. Actually, hold on. Alrighty, here we go. RevitalAir Compact True HEPA 4-in-1 air purifier. Advanced True Filter HEPA. Pre-filter with activated carbon filter and UVC sanitizer. Whoa. Alright, that looks pretty cool. Got the digital or the touch screen up there type deal. Here we go. Here's the back. There's that thingamajig. Sanitizer lamp. Ooh. It might be useful. Yeah, I'm sick of dust. That's one thing I hate. More than spiders. Alright. Here's the side. And definitely a nice LED display. Auto timer 2, 4, 8 hours. Sleep mode. Filter. Oh, sweet. So it tells you when to change your filters. That's a good bonus. 4-in-1. Alright, there's the capacity right down there. Ultra life is about 20,000 hours. That's a pretty long time. Alright, now I'm curious to see what this thing looks like. I got a plug to plug it in. Let it run for a few seconds. And hopefully this video's not too long today, because we got a couple of coming videos today. One of those Saturdays. Alright, let me clean this second up. And one more. Alright, it's a white version, so which is fine with me. The color don't matter to me. And all that matters is how it performs. Oh, this thing's huge. Power cord right there. When you got the manual, we don't need it. It's pretty simple, self-explanatory. What the settings and all that. Just gotta touch it. Alright, let's take this thing together down. See, look at that, 97 now. It's like 104 outside. Ooh-wee. The heat is on. I am definitely staying in though today. I mean, that is, I like it hot, but that's too hot. Definitely too hot. So hopefully us East Coasters are staying cool. I know I am definitely be staying in this weekend. Alright, here we go. So on the back, there's a plug. Just gotta plug it in, like so. Oops. Oh, it's gonna be hard to do it. There we go. Nope, wrong way. Get in your hole. Come on. Okay, that's nice and tugged. It should go for a few. Wrap you guys around this cord. Hopefully I got an extra spot. Hopefully. Oh boy. Man. Oh jeez. Hopefully nothing shuts off. Alright. Should be safe for a minute. Test this out. Ooh, you see on top, it lights up. Is there a filter? It should be at the bottom. Alright, let me pause you guys. Yep, down at the bottom. Just gotta twist that off. Pull that out. Pull this out. And there we go. There's the filter. You gotta have to remove the plastic. So before you turn it on, definitely remove the plastic. That's a nice filter. Alright. Now if I can remember which way it went. That's what it looks like right there. Pretty nice. That's how easy it is to replace. Just peel that off. Maybe not. Oh boy. I totally forgot which way it went. There we go. Alright, see that turns on. Make sure you twist nice and tight. And I gotta flip her around. Do-si-do. Alright. Let's jack you guys up to there. And where's power? Ooh. Yeah, power. Alright. There's sleep mode. Timer. Ooh. Dang. Listen to her purr. Yeah, that's pretty nice. So if you go out for the night, definitely leave it on. Or you could just, I can feel it. Switch the buttons back to that one. I'll figure it out more later. I just want to show you guys what it can do. But it's pretty sweet looking for sure. Side. That. Oops. Nice gaming room, your kids' room, your room. This would be perfect size for. Probably like a full basement. You would probably need those bigger ones. But a nice size apartment, condo, dorm, college dorms. Since we are back to school, so this would be perfect for your new graduate class for this year. The ones that are moving out on the first time, this will be perfect for them. So like I said, all you gotta do, click the link down below, add it to your cart, and check out, and they'll ship this out pretty fast. So there you go, YouTubers. You guys be safe, have a good day, and see ya.